Africa, hello Cameroon. It is another day on Shine Africa, and we say welcome to all of you who are watching at the moment. We are at the Somata Hotel in BMC, and I am your host, Reverend Abongta Mirabel Suringwa. On today's episode of the show, we are taking an artist like no other. She's female, she does reggae, but oftentimes when I talk to artists on this set, I ask them why they decide to always do things and songs on love. This time, someone just chose Mother Earth, and everything she does is Mother Earth. Ladies and gentlemen, when we come back from the break, you will discover my guest.
Shine, Africa, shine. Shine, Africa, shine.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our very beautiful guest, Sister Sen.
Hello, greetings.
You're very welcome
Thank you.
to the show.
Thank you.
Sister Sen. You asked us to do a mango smoothie, and so we are going to go to my kitchen where we do the happy juice. Please come with me.
With pleasure.
Shine, Africa, shine. Shine, Africa, shine.
Why do you like mangoes?
Because it's sweet.
And also for me, I think it's because this is the season.
Yeah.
I like to go with seasonal fruits.
Exactly.
So thank you for giving me the opportunities to have mangoes on this set today. We add some water so we can blend.
The best fruit juice.
Wow, this is pretty. And now our smoothie is ready. Wow. We get a very good consistency there. We actually have more than 2 glasses. Here's for you. Thank you, too. What's your favorite color, please?
Green.
Oh, wow. Thank you. For once, I'm going to be having my best color with someone here on set. Please, can you have a sip of it? Oh, my. So nice. Yummy.
Thank you so much.
And just before we take leave of the kitchen, ladies and gentlemen, remember that a kitchen without a juicer is not alive. A kitchen without a juicer is not alive.
Shine, Africa, shine. Shine, Africa, shine.
You're welcome back from that juicy break, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm still in the company of my beautiful guest, Sister Sen. Black is beautiful.
Black is beautiful. Yeah, for sure.
Okay, I'm not just going to give you any time to have a breath. Yeah, so you're going to catch your breath on the stage. Let's see what you know how to do.
All right.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, can we put our hands together for our guest artist?
Learn anything that you see, anything that you think you can learn. learn anything that you see. Anything that you think you can learn. Yeah, come on, you should learn. You should learn. You should learn. You should learn. Shine Africa.
Thank you.
It should help you to live a good life. A life to lead your generation, making them to be free from tribulation. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You can blow on a spark to make it glow. Oh, 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 oh. Way, all right. But not like a fish who can swim without lessons. You were born to learn. So be grateful to anyone who's been your teacher. You've got to be free to learn. Learn anything that you see, anything that you think you can learn. Anything, learn anything that you see. Anything that you think you can learn. Yeah, you should learn. You should learn. You should learn. You should learn. Shine Africa. Yes, you should. You should learn. Yeah. You should learn. You should learn. You should learn. You should learn.
Wow, this is so beautiful, so beautiful.
Shine, Africa, shine. Shine, Africa, shine.
Let's keep clapping for Sister Sen, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. You look small, but I think the voice is deep down there. Do you feel it? The voice is right deep down there. Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
Now let's talk a little bit about who you are. Who is Sister Sen? And to begin with, why Sister Sen?
Sister, because I consider myself to be the sister of anybody.
Okay.
Because love is the highest medication.
Wow.
And I'm out to share the little love I have.
Wow, this is beautiful. Okay.
So that's why I'm sister, and Sen is my native name.
Okay,
Yeah.
from what? From
From
where?
Yabasi, because my mother is from Yabasi.
That tells you that Sister Sen is francophone, well, very bilingual. So you're a real Cameroonian.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, tell me, why did you decide to sing reggae? That's strange for a woman.
Yeah, reggae, because it's through reggae that I fell in love with English.
Oh,
Yeah, with my English teacher when I was in from 4.
okay.
Yeah, so my teacher, Mr. Nama, used to come and teach us English with the Bob Marley song, Get Up, Stand Up.
Oh,
So that is where everything just started. And I fell in love with English, and I fell in love with reggae music. And by the way, I went to the University of Buea, where I
wow.
improved my English. So
What did you read at the university?
sociology and anthropology.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
So are you doing something in that connection? What else do you do besides music?
Yeah, besides music, I'm a film director.
Okay.
Because, practicing anthropology is not easy. So I decided to use audiovisual to share my my researches.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm very interested with researches in concerning the mother nature,
Yeah.
concerning our environment, concerning trees and plants around us, because I've realized that we don't really consider those. I call them human beings because
No,
they're beings, they're living
they're
beings.
living beings.
Living
Yeah,
beings,
they're
yeah.
living
So
beings.
at times we don't really consider it. We don't consider them. So I'm trying to.
It's a little strange for me that you're growing up. First of all, you're in Yabasi, it's a French-speaking zone, and then you pick up, you fall in love with English through the Bob Marley song, and now you decide to do reggae. That's strange for a woman. And another strange thing is you're not singing love, you're not singing politics, you're singing Mother Nature. That's strange. Yes, what inspired you? You're saying it's because you don't think that we're valorizing a lot of nature, but was that the only thing that inspired you?
Yeah, everything started with a drama.
Okay.
Yeah, a drama, a true story. Because with my team, we had a garden here in Yaoundé, and one day it happens that people came in and just destroy everything, and I was like, why do people don't have any feeling for the nature? So that's where everything started. That's where the project Save the Mother Nature started.
Yeah.
As I said, it is necessary to sensitize people about the importance of nature.
Of nature, yeah. And I know that you have a project which is called Save the Mother Nature. Can you talk to me about that?
Save the Mother Nature is a musical project because I'm intending to release an album of 10 titles, Save the Mother Nature.
Okay.
And Save the Mother Nature is also a program of a program in order to replant trees. Because
Okay.
everything that man knows how to do is to cut trees.
Oh.
So Save the Mother Nature is a program of replanting trees, and we have been replanting trees in schools at Nkomotu and in Yaoundé here at Nguso, and we
Are you working with some organizations? Because when you do that, I believe there are lots and lots of organizations that will be working with you.
Yes, of course. I really wish I could work with enough organization in that sector. But for now, I'm lucky. I'm now supported by Green Africa.
Green Africa, okay.
Yeah, and the United Voices for the Forest and Environment for now.
Wow. That's really beautiful. I brought you here because I want you to sing for Mother Nature. So we are going to have a musical break, ladies and gentlemen. And when we come back, we'll be finding out from Sister Sen if she has any challenges with the work she's doing as artist, as videographer, as video director, and a lot more that she is. See you on the other side.
Shine, Africa, shine. Shine, Africa, shine.
I already know what the word really is. I already know, yeah. The biggest prison is ourselves. Already know that we chain to passion, desires. One more time. Already know what the word really is. I already know. The biggest prison is ourselves. Already know that we attend to a passion and desires. Let me tell you something. Human relationships are full of cupidity and stupidity. Where I'm tired of hypocrisy. Where I no more want myself to get involved in this social comedy. What a tragedy, trying to make a man self be someone else, as many men portray the ideal self, just to please, I say, and hide the devil itself in themselves. I say, yeah, already know what the world really is. The biggest prison is in ourselves. The biggest prison that we chain to a passion, desire. Shine Africa. That we chain to a passion and desire. That we chain to a passion and desire. That we chain to a passion and desire. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Shine, Africa, shine. Shine, Africa, shine.
I already know. No. I already know. I'm such a bad singer. Wow, that was a very, very brilliant song.
Thank you.
And I must congratulate you. You sing a lot like Asa. When you sing, I get Asa, I get Tracy Chapman. Yeah, and I love them so much. So I just put you on that list.
That's great.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back from that musical break. And of course, if you are just joining us, you're still on Shine Africa. And I'd like to talk about your challenges. It's a lot of things that you're doing. I know you're doing documentaries, you're doing videos, and you're doing the music, and other things. What are the challenges you're having as a woman?
As a woman,
As a woman, yeah,
it's not really
first.
easy. We have a lot of challenges as women, but I'm trying to find my way.
Okay.
And, through organizing myself, through organization, organize my timetable. When I want to shoot, I shoot. When I want to sing, I sing. But at times it's not really easy to bind all those. Because finally I realized I have a lot of personalities.
Wow.
In
A lot of
one.
talent.
Yeah,
Yes,
so-
you're multi-talented.
Yeah. But usually people used to wonder why a woman like I found herself doing reggae.
Yeah.
I want to say reggae, women should take reggae music as theirs, because reggae music is a conscious music, let me just say gospel music. Yeah, because we are here to pass on a message, and a positive message. So women, they are the one educating children. So if they seize reggae music to educate the society, I think our society is going to be better. I hope so.
As a video director, and I talk from my experience having to run a show like this, I know that equipment is always an issue. How do you manage that?
Oh, as we say here in Cameroon, c'est molo molo. We take it easy, and
Yeah.
when realizing projects, many other people get interested and they are ready to help because they are really touched by the topic of this, because we're talking about safety,
Yeah.
nature, no matter what. So I think very soon things are going to be fine. As Mama said, everything is going to be all right.
Yeah.
I don't yet have a TV set like yours. But
Oh, well, you're going to get there.
Well, yeah, we're going to get there, yeah, sure.
Wow. Can you say something about saving the mother nature in your dialect, your language? What's that language again?
I said my mother is from Yabasi, but my father is Eton.
Yeah, so which one do you prefer talking?
No, I talk Eton,
You talk it
yes.
tone and not Yabasi?
not Yabasi.
Okay, can you say it in a tone alone?
Okay. Borwasa kom tumukurmin basowe. Mama Caroline Sen ngwana nam re Carmina ifuna bi bala I apan ne bien kom tu ifun bi balo do parce que te apan dia ese gbe bala ese gbe bi di donc ida mo adam se mena caravane vene ifun bi bala apan bia.
I hope you are not selling us.
No.
Thank you very much. I want to say hi to all the Tone people who are watching at this moment. A lot of people in the hall have been listening to you, and I believe that somebody has a question for you. It is the audience question.
Hello, Shine Africa.
Hello.
My name is Bevis Anya. Sister Sen, I greet you. Please, I have some few questions for just 2 or 3. Please, I would like to ask if, looking at you, I admire you a lot. You're a lady, strong and healthy. Please, I want to ask if you are in a relationship or do you intend to get married? Secondly, if you are given an opportunity to change something in the music industry in Cameroon, what will you change? And thirdly, has the society really embraced what you are doing? Thank you.
Wow. Beautiful questions.
Wow. Beautiful questions. 3 questions in one.
Yeah. Yeah, just answer right away. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for that question. Actually, I'm engaged in a relationship.
Oh no, that's bad for him.
Very soon I'm going to get married.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. And if I can change something in the Cameroonian reggae industry, I would love really to promote Cameroonian reggae music more than any other one, because reggae music we need reggae music in Cameroon in with regard to what we are facing now. You know, this secessionist war in Anglophone zone. This, for example, here in Yaoundé, we don't have water, we don't have light, no internet, no. So reggae music is a weapon for us in order to fight for our rights.
Wow.
Yes. So that's what I can change. And the last question.
The population, the public, have they embraced your music? Have they embraced you?
Okay. Yes. The public actually react positively to my music, and everything is. I would just say positive.
Wow.
Because all around, maybe not yet here in Cameroon as I wish to, but around the world, yes, my music is embraced by people. They love it.
Wow, thank you very much. I think you answered all the questions well.
I think so.
Now is the time for you to ask me a question. It is the guest question.
Okay. Actually, I have 2 questions for Shine Africa.
Oh, I hope a team member can answer.
Yeah. The first question is how... it might be the same question you asked me, but how does a woman like you, how did you come about with all this, with this project, such a project? Because when I read the title, Shine Africa, I can feel your will, I can feel your energy for Africa to shine.
Yeah.
How all this came about?
Thank you. I think you already answered the question. You say you feel my energy for Africa to shine. Yeah, and that's the same thing that gave me the push, the motivation to make sure that Africa stands out. Because all around the world, sorry, they call us a shithole country. So it's either a shithole country, shithole continent, and But of course, that's not what we are. We are a lot more than that. So for me is bringing talent like you, African talent like you, so that people who are thinking differently about Africa can start seeing Africa in a new light. Because, of course, we can bring to the table what every other continent is bringing, and we can even do more, because I believe that Africa is the next destination.
Amen.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
That's great.
Okay, this is my best slot, and we are going to be having the dance slot.
I had two questions.
Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. Just take the second question.
Okay, the second question was, it's really a great project, but maybe the question is to Africans over there watching at us, why don't you believe in your own teachers?
Yeah, I think that was the first song you did.
Yeah, so I think Shine Africa is going to make you guys to start believing your own teachers, because Africa is the mother of humanity.
Wow, that's beautiful, and that's true. That's for a fact. If you want to fight, go and fight on your own show. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to take the dance slot. What are we dancing to?
We are dancing on Bikutsi music.
What? Oh, God. After 20 years in Yaoundé, I don't know how to dance Bikutsi. I'm in trouble. Yes, so please, can we have a DJ on that beat? Wow. The whole crew was dancing. The whole crew was dancing. I was just going to see how many marks you've made for yourself dancing. I hope I did good. I think so. Was it a 5? No. Was it a 7? No. Was it a 9? No. That leaves us with a 10. Congratulations. You're not going to sit down anymore. You're just going to get this and write your name anywhere you choose, anywhere, your name and a signature. Thank you very much. We got it right here. Sister Sen. You're not going to leave here without a gift from Shine Africa.
Wow, 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 wow.
So here is what we kept for you.
Shine Africa, big up yourself. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you very much. And thank you for coming, and see you some other time.
I'm grateful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shine, Africa, shine. Shine, Africa, shine.
Before we take leave of you, here is our watchword. It is an African proverb which says, trouble does not discriminate. It comes to everyone at some point. Trouble does not discriminate. It comes to everyone at some point. It is here we cut the curtains on today's episode of the show, ladies and gentlemen. We have been at the Somatel Hotel in Biemasi, and we say thank you to staff and management of this hotel. And of course, I remain your host, Reverend Abongta Mirabel Seringwa. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, it's a bye-bye from me to you. Bye-bye.
Okay. Can this one. Do it again. Do it again, let's see now. Eko will be very happy. Eko will be very happy with you. Okay. Let's take the intro. All right, please.